Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Siphon server and set it up on ZIVPN for a secure internet experience. If you're looking for a way to protect your online privacy while enjoying fast browsing speeds, you're in the right place. Make sure to follow along step by step, and as always, check out my blog for detailed tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the latest VPN and tech tips. First, let's open any web browser and type UDP and slow DNS files in the search bar. Hit enter, and you'll see a list of search results. Look for the official UDP custom website. This is where we'll create our Siphon server. Click on the link to head to their homepage. Once you're on the homepage, locate the menu button at the top right corner of the website. Click on it, and a list of options will appear. From the menu, select Siphon server. This will redirect you to the Siphon server creation page. Here on the Siphon server page, you'll see various server options available in different locations. Choose your desired location and click on Create Siphon to generate your Siphon server key. In just a few seconds, your Siphon server key will be ready. Copy the server key carefully, as we'll need it for the ZIVPN app. Next, download the ZIVPN app from the Google Play Store. Simply search for ZIVPN, hit install, and wait a few minutes for it to download and install. Once installed, launch the app. You'll land on the ZIVPN home screen, ready to set up your secure connection. On the home screen, you'll notice different protocol options. To activate Siphon, check the Siphon box. This tells ZIVPN to use the Siphon protocol for our connection. Next, click the gear icon in the top right corner to access the settings. Here, you'll see various options. Click on Siphon to configure its settings. Enter the Siphon server key you generated earlier in the designated box. You can also choose a location from the provided list for optimal performance. Once you've entered the details, return to the home screen and tap the Connect button. Congratulations! You're now connected to a secure Siphon VPN through ZIVPN. Enjoy fast and private browsing with ease. And that's it for today's tutorial. You've successfully set up a Siphon server on ZIVPN. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to my channel for more tech tutorials and VPN tips. Stay safe online and see you next time.